This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan crab cakes. To begin, drain and finely chop 1 can of hearts of palm and 1 can of artichoke hearts. These 2 ingredients are key for achieving that authentic, flaky crab-like texture. Next, prepare your binder. A flax egg, made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water, works wonderfully to hold everything together. This ensures your cakes are firm and easy to handle. Now, let's infuse our mixture with incredible flavor. Add 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, which is absolutely crucial for that classic crab cake taste. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to brighten everything up. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of finely chopped fresh parsley and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard for a tangy kick. Mix these ingredients thoroughly to ensure every bite is bursting with deliciousness. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to form the cakes. Divide the mixture into 8 equal portions and gently shape them into patties, about 1 inch thick. For best results, chill these formed cakes in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps them firm up and prevents crumbling during cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Then pan fry for 3 to 4 minutes per side, until beautifully golden brown and crispy. Your delicious vegan crab cakes are now ready to enjoy. For a perfect pairing, serve them with a homemade vegan tartar sauce, perhaps with a hint of capers. They are also wonderful alongside a crisp green salad or some roasted vegetables like asparagus. Garnish with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of fresh parsley for an appealing presentation. These delightful cakes are sure to impress everyone at your table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.